Thinking about enjoying IPTV on Chromecast? Let's dive straight in and explore how it works. To kick things off, is IPTV compatible with Chromecast? Many users have this burning question. Chromecast allows you to stream content seamlessly on your TV, but can IPTV run as effortlessly? To begin, let's look into setting up your Chromecast device for IPTV. It's simpler than you think. Install the ideal IPTV app and connect it, ensuring both your phone and Chromecast are on the same network. What about streaming quality? It's crucial for an enjoyable viewing experience with Chromecast. Many IPTV providers offer high-definition streams, so choose one with a strong track record like 2TV.store. Using Chromecast simplifies your interaction with IPTV, allowing easy connectivity and app control. Control playback with your phone, pause, rewind, and explore without interrupting what you're watching. Unlock unlimited entertainment options with 2TV.store, curating thousands of channels for diverse tastes. There's more to IPTV with Chromecast. The added convenience of on-the-go access seals the deal. Wi-Fi connection is crucial to maintain streaming quality for uninterrupted movie or sports nights. Wondering about costs? IPTV services like 2TV.store offer affordable packages compared to traditional TV. Ease of use is another winning point. No clunky hardware, just straightforward streaming simplicity. Harness the power of Chromecast and IPTV for a streaming setup that fits the future of home entertainment. Discover the freedom of streaming today and transform your viewing journey with 2TV.store.